Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox apple beetroot carrot juice that's a perfect breakfast drink. For this, I've taken one apple nicely washed and chopped. I've taken one beetroot, again chopped it the way you see in the video. I've taken one carrot, preferably Ooty carrots because they're more juicy, and chopped it the way you see here. I've added salt to it, some pepper to top on. Vary the quantity of pepper as per your taste. Squeeze some lemon juice on top of it for tangy taste, and then top it up with some water so that the vegetables would get submerged completely. Now we're ready to grind this. We then run the juice completely through a sieve so that all the rough particles like the seeds are completely taken off. We then to this juice add some honey. Honey is completely optional depending on how sweet you want the juice to be. Our 100% detox apple carrot beetroot juice is ready to be had.